In this video, we will learn how to create payment pages inside Razorpay. Okay, so creating payment pages, we have to follow some steps. So first step is login inside your Razorpay account. Login and login, you will land on the Razorpay dashboard. Here you can see the settlement and the payment collected, success rate, refund. Okay, so we have to create the payment pages. We will click on the payment button in navbar appears, and you can see there are a lot of options like home, transaction, settlement, reports, and there is a payment product section in which there is payment pages. So we will click on this. First step is create payment page and second is receive payment. So for creating a payment page, we have to click on the create payment page. Okay, and here Razorpay give us two options for creating payment page. One is simple payment page and second one is Razorpay web store pages. We will use payment pages in this video. And now this is the payment page that we will create. So first thing here is logo. Second is your page title, and here is your page description, and then you have to enter sport email or your sport mobile number. And Razorpay also give us term and condition. And here this is the user part, your customer part. Okay, here goes user email, here goes user phone number. You can also add extra input field by clicking here. Like if you want to add a link, a large text area, a PAN number, pin code, drop down, date picker, anything, you can add more input field here. Suppose like I click on PAN number and you write here PAN number and click on save, and you can see it also give you PAN number field on your payment page. Okay, now we will fill the details, enter page title. We will copy paste it from ChatGPT. Okay, so this is Aman Verma freelance service payment. This is our page title, and here we enter the page description. And you can also add social media icon like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and here you enter your email and sport mobile number. You can add your term and condition too. Okay, I am ignoring this, and then select amount type. You can choose fixed amount type, customer decide amount, or item with quantity. I will choose the fixed amount type. Okay, and suppose I choose 50 rupees. Okay, click on save, and here user fill his email, his phone number, and we are removing this field. Okay, and here it also gives you page settings. Okay, and you can choose the theme of the page. You can choose dark theme or light theme. I choose dark. And you can also set an expiry date to your page. Okay, and after successful payment, what you want to show to your user. Razorpay is providing you option. You can choose show custom message and redirect your website. Okay, so suppose payment is successful, you want to show a custom message to user, you can fill the real details here, like payment is successful. Okay, so after successful payment, this message is appear on the user screen. Okay, you can also enter the redirect URL, like suppose when payment is completed, where you want to land your user after payment. I want to land the user on my website stocky.com. Okay, and there are more enough options like that hyperlink button, plugin, add-ons. We will not need this now. We will click on save and then we will click on the create and publish page. Sport details. And our page is now live. Okay, this is our page URL. ठीक है, receipt will be sent automatically to customer after each payment. Okay, so when user pay, a receipt will be sent to their email or mobile number. Okay, and now we can share this URL. You can also customize your URL. Okay, so you can customize your URL here. We will not do this here. And suppose we want to share mobile number, you can enter the mobile number and enter the email and click on this, and this specific Razorpay link will be sent to your user email or mobile number. Okay, suppose you want to test the payment, we click copy and this is our payment page. Man Verma, this is description and this is share icon, our email, our sport mobile number, and here user fill his details, email, mobile number and pay. Okay, make the payment and payment is successful. And you can see after payment successful, this is the payment message and it will redirect on our website stocky.com. Okay, this is how Razorpay payment pages work.